Sit it down on there. Oh Lord. This thing. I'm like, oh Lord. Lord Jesus, help me with these eyelashes. Hey hunties, I'm glad y'all checked in today. I'm gonna be giving y'all a review of the Ardell magnetic lashes. I love Ardell. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands that I buy. I use them all the time, but the glue situation, I could do without the glue situation. Like I detest, almost as much as I detest lipstick, I detest this glue. But you gotta do what you gotta do to get the things on, you know. That's how it is. So I'm gonna try these magnetic ones. Now this is what they look like. When you get them, it looks like you have 2 sets, but you really only have 1 set because they fit together on the top and the bottom. I already opened these, so it looks like 1 set because I got them stuck together already. But you know, I'll show you. I also learned that you have to cut the bottom part into 3s. Like I cut them in 3s. I'll show you, you know, I'll show you. And how I cut them and how I actually got them to work. And well, you know, I did a little work with them, you know, to make them work and make them do the do, but it was okay. It was okay. I'm not like against it. I don't hate them. I, you know, won't throw them in the trash. So I'll use them once in a while. I don't know if they're gonna, you know, just replace glue, but if I get proficient with it, maybe. Okay. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you you know, hit the notifications, leave a comment. You know the drill. Come on now, y'all. Don't watch this video and don't subscribe. Join my community. All right, I stole that, y'all. I stole that from Rich Lux. I'm gonna give him the props on that. I love that community. Okay, so I hope y'all can see this really good. Let's get on up into this. This is intense. This is intense. So you get 2 lashes like this, and they fit together like this. They fit together just like that. Okay? So let me hold it like in front of my face so you can see it. So you know, they fit together like that. So they go, it's 2 lashes and they fit together like that. And your lashes go in the center. So I'll tell you right now, the bottom one, you're gonna need to cut it. It is not gonna work like this. Just on and on. Girl, she telling a lie. The devil ain't nothing but a lie. Say that you can put these things on just like this and they gonna look like you not on drugs. You need to cut the bottom one. So the bottom one, you're gonna have to, the one that goes up under here, you're gonna have to take it and cut it in 3 parts. You're gonna have to cut it right there. You'll see, like once you buy them, you'll see like the magnet on the end and then like 2 little pieces together. That's the only way I can describe it. You're gonna cut it right after that 3rd one. Then in the center, you're gonna leave 2 magnets, and then at the end, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets on here. So then like at the end, you'll cut like another little piece. I'll show you what the 3 pieces look like once they're cut. But you'll leave a little piece on this end, a little piece on this end, and 2 magnets in the middle. So 1 magnet on each side and 2 magnets in the middle. That's the way that this is gonna work. It ain't gonna work no other way. Trust me. Trust me when I tell you. The devil is a lie. If you think you're gonna get these things on in a full piece, it's just not gonna happen. Now once you cut them, you're gonna have 3 pieces like this. Like a little one, another little one, and a big one. You're gonna have 3 little pieces just like that. So once you get the 3 pieces and you get them all together, there they go. There they go. This is the bottom part of the lash. You'll see, like once you buy them, you see how it go, and you'll see like the 3 pieces. They look like, you know, 3 little spiders in my hand. But anyway, this is the bottom part of the lash that attaches underneath. Once you cut them into 3 pieces like that, then you doing business. You in business. Now the way that I figured out that worked for me to attach them was to attach them at the end first, then attach at the inside corner, then attach them in the middle. That was the easiest way. Outside, inside, middle. I know I sound like this is like some rocket science, but for real, like I went through, I don't even want to tell y'all what I went through trying to get these things to work. But I think I finally got it together. Now, you need to put mascara on. Without mascara, it's just gonna slide off when you like lay the top one on, because it doesn't have anything sticky on it, remember? So you just laying it there and hoping that it stay. So you gotta kind of hold it too. So it's gonna be a little maneuvering going on. But depending on how bad you want to quit glue, you might just let it go. You know, you might just do it. You might just go on through with this torture. But you gonna get these things on. But hey, anything for beauty. Anything for easier beauty. Another thing that's gonna help is to get some tweezers that's made out of plastic and not out of metal, so that the lashes don't stick to your tweezers. Important. So let's try this. Let's try. Lash number 1 is going down, y'all. It's going down. We're gonna start on this side. What side is this? On me, this is my left side. This is like the most difficult side for me. I'm right-handed. So I have really curly lashes too. Like if you have curly lashes, it's gonna be harder. So and you gotta really like want this to work. Okay, so I'm putting them on there. So I know it looks like super crazy right now, but there it's on there. It's on there. Jeez. So the lash is on my lash. Okay, so now it's just like sitting on my lash, just sitting there. It's not doing nothing else, just sitting there. So now I'm gonna take the outside piece. I want the outside piece first, and stick it on the end. Here we go, y'all. Ooh. Now open your eye real big. Now right up under here, that magnet is catching on to the top one. So it's like on there. It's on there. You know. So now I'm going to take the center one and do the same thing. I'm going to hold it down where I want it. And I'm going to take the other piece, open my eye big, and put it on there. Okay. So now it's attached. They're a little finicky sometimes. You gotta push them. Push it back so that it's like on. Okay. It's on. I think I stuck myself in the eye, but it's on there. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the centerpiece and stick the centerpiece down. Okay. And voila, you have a magnetic lash, and it's pretty close. Pretty close. It's pretty close to the lash line. Looks pretty good. There it is. Okay, now for the next eye. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next one. Do it again. So here's the lash, and I'm gonna sit it down on there. Sit it down on there. Oh Lord. This thing. I'm like, oh Lord. Lord Jesus, help me with these eyelashes. Okay, I will I gotta stop laughing first. Okay. Okay, I got it. it's like sitting there. Maneuver it with my hand a little bit. Your hands kind of work a little better with these, cause they're kind of long, so you can grab them on the end. Okay, so here's the outside piece. So I'm gonna hold it down where I want it. Open up my eye real big. Ooh. And attach it. All right. I'm gonna get the center. I mean, not the center, the outer, the inner, lower, the inner. Get the inner. These things. Okay. It's attached. I must have, like, it feels like it's okay. It's on there. My eyes is watering so bad, y'all. Trying to, you know, I love y'all. This how you know I love y'all. Let me get the tissue. Let me get a tissue. Cause this is, I'm taking one for the team. I'm taking one for the team. Okay, this is the last piece. The last piece I need to connect. There you go. Okay, now I have accomplished it. I have put on these lashes. These are magnetic lashes. This is it. I've attached them. It's no glue. It's all magnetic, all magnets. They on there. They look actually really good. They look good. Y'all think they look good? I think they look good. No glue. What y'all think? Price is really not that bad. The price is like, you know, $12, $13, something like that. So it's not that bad because you pay a lot of money for lashes and you can reuse these because you don't put glue on them. So you just take them off. Kind of like them. It takes a minute to get used to them, to get them on and everything. But once you get them on, that's what's up. No glue. That's what's up. So, whew, I don't know. I like them, y'all. I'm gonna give them a thumbs up because there's no glue on here. And these mugs is looking fabulous. Not a piece of glue, and it's looking fabulous. So, maybe you can get them to work for you, and you'll like them. And you know, it's worth a try. It's worth a try. They worked for me, all right. I mean, I was watering, and I think Jesus was coming back, but it worked. They did work. They do work, but you got to work with them. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, thumbs up, hit the notifications button, and make sure you come back next time I do a video. Y'all check me out. Let me know if y'all like these videos. Comment down below. I'm gonna comment back. So I'll check y'all next time. I'm out of here.